Hey friends, welcome back to VTC Garden Tips. The sun's out, the flowers are smiling, and I'm so excited to share today's gardening magic with you. Have you ever dreamed of having a balcony or patio overflowing with blooms that keep coming back year after year without needing to replant every season? Well, that's the beauty of perennials in containers. They thrive, they last, and oh, they look absolutely stunning. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore 15 perennials that love living in pots. From charming blooms to lush greenery that'll turn your small space into a mini paradise. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to VTC Garden Tips. Give this video a thumbs up and share your gardening dreams in the comments. Who knows? Your idea might just be our next video. You know, gardening in containers isn't just for people with small spaces. It's for everyone who wants beauty that's flexible, movable, and surprisingly low maintenance. And when you choose perennials, you're making an investment. These plants don't just bloom once and fade away. They come back year after year, often stronger and fuller than before. Plus, if you live in a place with cold winters, having them in containers means you can easily move them to a sheltered spot to protect them from frost. So let's start our list of 15 perennials that not only survive but truly thrive in containers. And first up, one of my all-time favorites, lavender. Oh, lavender, just the thought of it makes me smile. That soft purple hue, the calming fragrance, the way it sways gently in the breeze, it's pure magic. Not only is lavender beautiful, it's also incredibly useful. You can use it in sachets, teas, or even as a natural mosquito repellent. A quick tip for success: lavender loves sunshine and hates wet feet, so choose a pot with excellent drainage, use sandy or gritty soil, and give it at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Treat it well and it'll reward you with blooms and fragrance all summer long, and for many summers to come. Next on our list is a plant that proves you don't need flowers to make a statement, hosta. With its lush, layered leaves in shades of green, blue, and gold, hosta can turn even the shadiest corner of your garden into a calming oasis. They're like living sculptures. Each leaf is perfectly shaped, and together they create this full, luxurious mound that looks amazing in a pot. Hostas are shade lovers. If your balcony, porch, or yard doesn't get much direct sunlight, this plant is your new best friend. They can handle a bit of morning sun, but they'll thrive in dappled light or full shade. And here's a bonus: hostas are tough. They come back year after year with minimal fuss, and they only get better with age. My tip: choose a larger container so the roots have room to spread. Use a rich, moisture-retentive soil and keep it evenly moist. Hostas hate drying out completely. For a striking look, pair them with colorful annuals or ferns in the same pot. You'll get an instant layered garden that's both elegant and low maintenance. Now, if you love foliage with personality, you're going to adore heuchera, also known as coral bells. This perennial is all about the leaves, heart-shaped, ruffled, and available in an unbelievable range of colors: deep burgundy, lime green, golden yellow, even near black. The beauty of heuchera is that it adds color and texture all year round, even when other plants have faded. They thrive in containers because their compact roots don't mind limited space. Most varieties prefer partial shade, though some can handle more sun if you give them extra water. And when they bloom, those delicate little flowers rise on slender stems, dancing above the foliage like tiny bells, hence the name coral bells. My tip: mix and match different leaf colors in the same pot for a striking display, or pair them with ferns and hostas for a layered woodland vibe. Use a high-quality potting mix, water regularly, and remove any dead leaves to keep the plant looking fresh. Trust me, your patio will never look dull with heuchera around. Up next, we have the cheerful and easygoing daylily. Daylilies are the kind of plant that just makes you smile. Their blooms are bold, bright, and come in almost every color you can imagine, from sunny yellows to deep purples. fiery oranges, and even multi-tone blends. And despite their name, each flower lasts just one day, but the plant produces so many buds that you'll get weeks of continuous color. Daylilies adapt incredibly well to containers. They're tough, forgiving, and can handle a variety of conditions. Full sun, partial shade, different soil types. They're also a great choice if you don't want to fuss over your plants every day. My tip for daylilies in pots: go for dwarf or compact varieties so they don't outgrow the container too quickly. Use a well-draining soil mix, water regularly during blooming season, and remove spent blooms to encourage more flowers. Pair them with trailing plants for a stunning layered effect that overflows with color. Our next star is sedum, also known as stone's crop, a hardy perennial that's as low maintenance as it gets. With its thick, fleshy leaves and clusters of tiny star-shaped flowers, sedum brings texture and charm to any container garden. The leaves can be green, blue-gray, or even reddish, and in late summer to fall, the flowers burst into shades of pink, yellow, or white. Sedum thrives in containers because it loves good drainage and doesn't mind drying out between waterings. In fact, overwatering is the quickest way to harm it. Think of it as the set it and forget it plant, perfect for busy gardeners or anyone who travels often. My tip: plant sedum in a shallow, wide pot with sandy or gritty soil. Combine different varieties in one container for an eye-catching mix of textures and colors. Place it in full sun, and it will reward you with blooms and vibrant foliage. No fuss required. Next up is salvia, a plant that's as stunning as it is pollinator-friendly. With its tall spires of blooms in shades of purple, blue, pink, and white, salvia adds height, movement, and a burst of color to any container arrangement. It's not just beautiful, salvia is also a magnet for bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds, making it a perfect choice for a lively, buzzing garden. Salvia loves full sun and well-draining soil. It's drought-tolerant once established, so it won't sulk if you forget a watering or two. Plus, many varieties have aromatic foliage, so even when it's not in bloom, it still brings something special to your garden. My tip: choose a pot that's tall enough to balance the plant's height. Deadhead spent flowers to keep it blooming longer, and consider mixing it with trailing plants or low-growing perennials for a balanced, layered look. Trust me, salvia will be one of the most photogenic plants in your collection. Now let's talk about a true classic, Shasta Daisy. With its bright white petals and sunny yellow centers, this perennial has a way of bringing pure joy to any space. It's like having little rays of sunshine blooming right in your container garden. They're simple, cheerful, and they never seem to go out of style. Shasta daisies love full sun and well-drained soil. They're low maintenance, drought-tolerant once established, and can bloom from early summer well into fall if you take care of them. And here's a fun bonus. They make fantastic cut flowers for your home. A small vase of fresh daisies can brighten up any room instantly. My tip: plant them in medium to large containers so the roots have room to grow. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers, and every 2 to 3 years, divide the plants to keep them healthy and blooming. Pair them with blue or purple flowers for a stunning contrast that pops. Up next is geranium, a plant that's practically a staple in container gardening. With its clusters of vivid blooms in reds, pinks, purples, and whites, geranium instantly brightens up patios, balconies, and garden corners. Some varieties even have aromatic leaves with hints of lemon, rose, or mint, a delightful bonus every time you brush past them. Geraniums love full sun and well-drained soil. They're relatively drought-tolerant once established, but will bloom best if you water them regularly and feed them during the growing season. Plus, they're great for mixing in with other plants because their upright growth habit leaves room for trailing flowers around the edges of the pot. My tip: deadhead spent blooms to keep the flowers coming and rotate the pot occasionally so all sides get equal sunlight. If you live in a cold climate, bring them indoors before frost and enjoy them as houseplants over winter. They'll be ready to go back outside next spring. Our next beauty is a stilbe, a shade-loving perennial that brings a soft, romantic touch to your garden. Its feathery plumes of flowers come in shades of pink, white, red, and lavender, floating above lush green foliage like little clouds. A stilbe is perfect for brightening up those shady corners where most flowering plants struggle. It prefers consistently moist, rich soil and thrives in partial to full shade. In a container, that means you'll want to water it regularly. It's not a plant that likes to dry out. The good news is, once it's happy, it will reward you with weeks of blooms and graceful foliage that lasts all season. My tip? Use a large pot to help retain moisture, and pair a stilbe with hostas or ferns for a lush woodland feel. If you remove spent blooms, the foliage will stay fresh and attractive long after the flowers fade. Next, we have the timeless rose. Roses in containers may sound intimidating, but trust me, they can be incredibly rewarding. You get all the charm, fragrance, and elegance of a rose garden, even if you only have a balcony or small patio. With so many varieties, from miniature roses to compact shrub roses, there's a perfect type for container life. Roses love full sun, ideally at least 6 hours a day, and they appreciate a rich, well-drained soil. In containers, they need a little extra attention with watering and feeding to keep the blooms coming. But the payoff? Gorgeous flowers and that unforgettable scent. My tip, choose disease-resistant varieties to make your life easier. Use a large, deep pot to accommodate their root system and feed them with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and prune regularly to encourage new growth. Next on our list is catmint, also known as nepeta, a plant that's as charming as it is easy to grow. With its soft gray-green foliage and clouds of lavender blue flowers, catmint adds a dreamy cottage garden feel to any container. It's also a pollinator magnet, bringing in bees and butterflies all season long. Catmint thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and low maintenance, making it perfect for busy gardeners. And no, it's not quite the same as catnip, though cats might still show some interest in it. My tip? Shear the plant back after its first big bloom to encourage a fresh flush of flowers. In containers, pair it with roses or daisies for a beautiful mix of colors and textures. And remember, the more sun, the happier your catmint will be. Up next is coreopsis, often called tickseed, a sunshine-loving perennial that just bursts with cheerful color. Its daisy-like blooms come mostly in shades of bright yellow, though some varieties add splashes of red, orange, or pink. They're like little bursts of sunshine in your garden. Coreopsis is the kind of plant that keeps on blooming, often from early summer right into fall. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, and it's incredibly drought-tolerant once established. In containers, that means you can enjoy weeks and weeks of blooms without constant fuss. Plus, the flowers are a favorite of pollinators. Butterflies will be regular visitors. My tip? Deadhead spent flowers regularly to keep the blooms coming, and choose compact varieties for pots so they don't sprawl too much. Pair coreopsis with purple or blue flowers for a stunning color contrast that really pops in your outdoor space. Our next beauty is gora, also called whirling butterflies. And once you see it in bloom, you'll know why. Its delicate white or pale pink flowers seem to float above slender stems, swaying gracefully in the breeze. Gora brings a sense of movement and airiness to your container garden that few other plants can match. This plant loves full sun and well-drained soil, and it's surprisingly drought-tolerant once established. In containers, gora is perfect for adding height and texture without feeling heavy or dense. Plus, it's a magnet for pollinators. You'll see bees, butterflies, and maybe even hummingbirds stopping by. My tip? Don't over-fertilize. Gora actually blooms better in leaner soil. Cut it back halfway after the first big flush of flowers to keep it neat and encourage more blooms. And remember, this is a plant that loves to dance in the wind, so give it a spot where it can move freely. No container garden list would be complete without lavender. With its silvery foliage, spikes of purple flowers, and heavenly scent, lavender is both beautiful and functional. It's a classic Mediterranean plant, so it thrives in sunny, dry conditions. Lavender loves full sun, excellent drainage, and not too much fertilizer. In containers, choose a pot with plenty of drainage holes and a gritty soil mix to mimic its natural habitat. And here's a bonus. Its fragrance isn't just pleasant for us, it also helps repel mosquitoes and certain garden pests. My tip? Harvest blooms when they're just starting to open for the best fragrance and longest lasting dried flowers. In containers, pair lavender with other sun-loving herbs like rosemary and thyme for a gorgeous, fragrant mini herb garden. And don't be afraid to run your fingers through the foliage. That's how you release even more of its scent. Wow, what a beautiful journey we've had together today. From the cheerful geraniums to the calming lavender and all the unique perennials in between, we've explored 15 stunning plants that truly thrive in containers and bring so much life to any space. Whether you're gardening on a small balcony, a sunny patio, or even just a little corner by the window, these plants can turn it into a blooming, vibrant oasis. And remember, it's not just about the flowers or the greenery, it's about the joy you feel every time you see them grow, the peace you find when you water them, and the beauty they bring to your everyday life. So let's quickly recap our 15 stars today: geranium, heuchera, coral bells, coneflower, salvia, hostas, daylilies, sedum, coreopsis, Russian sage, penstemon, ornamental grasses, gora, lavender, and Shasta Daisy. Quite the dream team, right? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to VTC Garden Tips so you don't miss out on more tips, tricks, and inspiration for your garden. Drop a comment below to tell me which plant you'll try first, or suggest what topic you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy gardening, and remember, you're not just growing plants, you're growing happiness.